Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today we'll bake a challah bread. This is a special bread of the Jewish cuisine. The Jewish festivals are incomplete without this bread. Traditionally, it is a braided bread which is enriched using eggs and oil. The bread is baked without any milk or butter in it. The bread is very soft and delicious, and the crumb is feather like. So, let us see how to bake this bread. Here I have taken 500 grams of all purpose flour or maida. You can use half whole wheat flour also. Into this 1 teaspoon of instant yeast I have added. Dry yeast can also be used. 250 ml of lukewarm water. If you are using dry yeast, you need to first activate the yeast using the water and then add it into the flour. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Honey can also be used in place of sugar, and 2 eggs. Now mix in the flour and all the other ingredients together to make a shaggy mass of dough. Now we'll transfer this onto a floured surface and knead it till the dough is nice and soft and pliable, and the dough should pass the window pane test. We'll knead the dough. You can use the stretch and fold method, or the slap and fold method. This dough is a little sticky. In case you are not able to knead it, you can allow the dough to rest for 5 minutes in between the kneading process, so that it will be easy for you to knead the dough. Now the dough has become quite soft and stretchable. We can stretch it without breaking the dough. So now let us add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and knead the dough till the oil is properly incorporated into the dough. We'll add 1 more tablespoon of olive oil and knead the dough till the dough becomes soft and it passes the window pane test. If you're new to my channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and if you like my videos, please do consider subscribing. When you subscribe, press the bell icon and select all option to get notifications of my new videos. Thank you. Now the oil is properly incorporated. We'll make the dough into a ball and transfer it into a well greased bowl and allow it to rest. See, now the dough has passed the is passing the window pane test. It is nicely stretchable. We'll transfer it into a greased bowl and allow it to rest till it doubles in size. Cover it with a cling film or a damp kitchen towel. It will take 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Now the dough is nicely risen. Let us punch and see. Yeah, now the dough is collapsing. That means the proofing is enough. We'll give it a short knead and transfer it onto a floured surface, and we'll braid the bread. We'll divide it into 4 equal portions. A kitchen balance can also be used to divide it properly. We'll make it into tight balls. We'll roll out each balls into ropes, long ropes of equal length. It is better not to put much flour while rolling it out like this. Just flour your hands, otherwise it'll be difficult to roll it out. Roll it out so that the towards the edges it is slightly tapering. Let us keep all the 4 strands together and pinch the edge together nicely so that it doesn't come out. Now bring the 4th strand above the 3rd one and under the 2nd one. Now over the 1st strand. Now again the new 4th strand over the 3rd one, under the 2nd one, and over the 1st one. 4th strand over the 3rd one, under the 2nd one, and over the 1st one. Likewise, we can braid the bread. Now pinch the edge together and tuck it in and loosen it a little, and we'll transfer it onto a greased baking sheet. Cover it with a damp kitchen towel and allow it to rest till it doubles in size. Now the braid has properly doubled in size. Let us brush it with some egg wash. A beaten egg with 1 tablespoon of water, and then let us top it with some black and white sesame seeds, and we'll bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 45 minutes. Now the bread is beautifully baked. Although the crumb was amazing and the bread was delicious, I was not very happy with the look of the bread, so I baked one more challah, this time with longer strands, and I am really happy with the outcome. And my family was super happy to have 2 challah breads one after the other. So please do try the recipe. It's a delicious bread and you will bake it again and again. Let me know how it turns out. Your comments and feedbacks really matter. So please don't forget to like, share and comment in case you like the video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye.